Hi friends, it's Miss Sinky, and today I wanted to show you how to use tumblebooks. First, we're going to go to our library page, which is at bit.ly/mix6library. So bit.ly/mc6library. And that's how you get here. From there, you can either start here, but to get to tumblebooks and other books you can read, go to students, because that's where I put the books for you. And you can see we have tumblebooks, Teen Book Cloud, Gale eBooks, Storyline Online, Kidlit TV, Explora, EBSCO eBooks, and Toon Book Read, which is a lot of different options for you to find books. But we're going to start at tumblebooks, and I'm going to open that. And as you can see, when we go in, it shows us different books, even some you might have read before. But if we want to try to read a book and we click on it, it won't do anything. So what we have to do is log on first. So the password for almost all of our sites, all sites except for EBSCO, when you look at that page that we were on, all these, oops, not that one, tumblebooks, Teen Book Cloud, Gale, they're going to have the same username password. Or password. Gale just asked for a password. So we're going to put ftworth, that is our username, and our password is FWISD. I'm going to click enter and it's going to sign me in. And now we can see all the different things it's going to show. Quick reads, graphic novels, new ebooks, favorite storybooks from Chronicle Books. Oh, Mother Goose, I love that one. This is by J. Otto Siebold, who is one of my favorite illustrators and authors. And you can see there's read-alongs where it will just have pages and it'll read it with you as you're reading along. There's Tumble Tunes if you want to listen to some music. Kings and Queens of Self-Esteem, and it just keeps going with different things. Here's some Kate DiCamillo books. If you like Mercy Watson or Bink and Golly, they're going to be there. Let's see what else we have. Let's click on more and see what we have. That's all it's showing. That's odd because it showed us some in the beginning. So we're back where we were. If you like sports books, there's a bunch of sports books here. Coming soon books. That's exciting too. That one looks fun just by looking at it. That makes me want to read it. This one too. I wish they were here already. Okay, so I'm going to pick a book. Let's do Frank Was a Monster Who Wanted to Dance. Okay? So we have all this information. It tells us about the book. Frank the monster indulges in his love of dancing by strutting his stuff on stage. On and on. We could play the video. We could add it to our favorites. We could add it to a playlist. We could take a quiz on it. Hopefully not until after you read it. Now this isn't the AR quiz. If you want the AR quiz, come over here on this side and it tells us the book details. Who it's by and illustrated by. Who the publisher is. How many words there are. How long it'll take to read it or for it to read to you, and the reading level. If we want more AR information, we can click on that. And it says, sorry, there are no accelerated reader info available for this title. But it already told us that it was a 1.5, so it might just not have loaded for us. So once you read it, you might want to highlight the title, the entire title, and then right-click on it and do copy, or you can do Control-C like it says, and I can copy that, so when I go to my AR place to take a quiz, then I can just go and put this in, because I copied it. I can just paste it. And when you go to AR, you probably have to click Control-V, V as in vent, in order to, or video, in order to paste that, because it doesn't like to right click for some reason. So I'm going to play this video and it's going to start And it's going to have silly music at the beginning, always.
Frank was a monster who wanted to dance.
So you can see
I know I could boogie if they gave me a chance.
Meow.
So he put on his hat and his shoes made in France, and opened a jar and put ants in his pants.
So you can see that it's
He drove
red,
to the theater
well, a different color when he's reading
and
it.
jumped on stage.
Or
Then he
highlighted.
danced like his shoe size instead of his.
Okay, so we're going to stop there. Oh, such a funny book. And it rhymes. So when I'm done reading that, if I wanted to take the quiz, I could do it, or I could just write down the title and take that at a later time. We can I'm trying to find a book that will for sure have an AR test showing. Let's see. Let's look at Dino Train. I know this one does. So it tells us all this information here. It tells us what the story's about. And then it tells us reading level, AR, grade, Lexile. But we don't look at the accelerated reader level. So it tells us right here. The quiz number. So if you read this and you want to take a test on it, go ahead and copy that so you can put it into your AR. Or you could write it down. And it tells us the book level, which really doesn't matter because we are not worrying about book level reading right now. We just want to get some points. So here's some AR points. You get 0.5, which is half a point. And then it shows you the word count as well, for those of you wanting to get in the Millionaires Club by reading 1,000,000 words. Okay, so that's how you check AR. Now, there is another thing that you saw here, and it was called Teen Book Cloud. And this is similar. You have to put in your name as well, or your username, which is FTWorth for this, and then FWISD. And it will log you in, and you can see all these books. And these are a little bit higher level. There's going to be a lot more graphic novels available. There's going to be some great fiction, Because of Winn-Dixie, which you may have read already. Let's see what else we have. All sorts of books. Let me see. That's a lot of choices. I'm going to go back. Let me see if I can click on Because of Winn-Dixie. And it shows you keywords. It shows you the summary. You can read it online. And it also shows you the accelerated reader info. And we can click on that again. And it shows you what the quiz number is, the book level, and how many points it is if you haven't taken it already. And then you click Read Online. And it should start reading to you if it hasn't started yet. Let's see. Or maybe this is one that you just read by yourself. So you would read Chapter 1. My name is India Opal Bologna. And last summer my daddy, the preacher, sent me to the store for a box of macaroni and cheese, some white rice, and 2 tomatoes. And I came back with a dog. Ooh, that sounds like a good start to a story. Okay? And you can bookmark it. You can do different text options. Like if you would like to do Arial instead, you can do that, and it will switch how it's written. It also can do different color options. If you want your background to be black and your words to be white instead so it doesn't kill your eyes or hurt them, then you can do that as well. Okay, so that's Tumblebooks and Teen Book Cloud. And those are both by Tumblebooks and have the same username and password. FTWorth is the username. FWISD is the password. If you have any questions, you can always email me. So just go to my page and my email is down here at the bottom, or you can text or call here. Okay, and it says email anytime, text or call between 9 and 8 p.m., please. Okay, have a great day. Bye.